Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2, your guest list done right. Your guest list is the foundation of everything else. Let me show you how to build it in under 2 minutes, whether you've got 30 guests or 300. Up top, you've got your live stats: added, invited, attending, pending, and declined. The big added tile shows you your capacity progress. Every tile is clickable and filters the list. Speaking of filters, there's a more granular one right below the tiles where you can filter by things like table, not invited, or even children. Now, time to add a guest. Adding one guest is a single form. You have name, email, or phone. We accept either one. Then you have the optional fields: table, group, dietary, accessibility, relationship to the celebrant, whether they're an adult or a child. Plus ones can be handled right here in the same dialog. The same goes for adults or children. You can also enter additional info if you want, but there's some things that don't have to be repeated. You can also send an invite right now so you don't have to come back and do it later. Got a spreadsheet? Drag it right in to bulk import your guest list. Doesn't matter if it's in Excel or CSV. We auto map your columns. Combine the first and last name if they're split, and we auto group households by party. We also upsert, so that means you can re-import an updated sheet and we won't create duplicates for you. The toolbar from earlier also has a live search, so combining this with the filter, you pretty much can look for any guest and find them with no hassle. The filters are URL synced, so you can bookmark a filtered view or share it. We also allow you to select guests and take a bulk action on them. So you don't have to do things one by one. If you know you want to do something in bulk, we allow you to do that. That's your guest list. Next up, we're going to talk about how to actually get them to RSVP. Hope you stick around and see you in episode 3.